Avon Park Field. Gonna take up the Habu SS again. Have a little bit of fun with her.
AS3X mode. Time remaining 3 minutes.
All right. Grass makes for a great stopping. All right, like I said, this is the second time I have ever flown this plane. So you gotta be a little patient with me. I'm just trying to get a feel for her. I'm running a 3300 6S HRB in her. My throws are 100% throws over 30% expo. And it's really windy today, so that definitely makes a huge factor in how the plane can perform. So I mean, you got basically just a little bit of foam up there. Good flying plane though, man, good flying plane. One of the reasons I got this plane is I love the Habu STS, but I just felt like she wasn't powerful enough. I love the way she flew, but I was ready for something different in this type of airframe.
1 minute.
And man, she flies good. Watch this. And she gets out of Dodge. Oh boy. I'll tell you folks, if you're watching this video right now, you got to be able to feel my smile. Because I am smiling. Oh man. Just like the Habu STS, just faster, a little more responsive. and then the drink.
20 seconds.
Come on, bad boy. We're gonna land the grass this time. Well, there you go, folks. That is the Habu STS. You a happy bird? You're a happy bird. I'm running an HRB 3306S. Real quick, let me motor off. Let me show you where I have the battery. And I've got it in the straps, in the middle of the straps where they say, but slightly back. That helps give me a little better flare whenever I go to land. You want your plane to be, you know, level, on a jet level, and maybe just hinting towards tail heavy, but just hinting towards it really levels best. And but you really don't want a tail heavy plane. Maybe just like, you know, maybe like that, maybe just a little bit like this, and that way when you go to flare you have a better landing. But really level's probably best. So anyways, there you go. That is the Habu STS, and once again, ugly Mike at the helm. But boy, he's a good pilot. All right, folks, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. This is Fat Guy saying.